Hello, hello. Welcome to Sarah's Love Kitchen, the home of love and good food. Today I'll show you how I make overhead eggs. Enjoy! An overhead egg is simply an egg that is flipped and the yolk fully cooked, unlike sunny side up eggs. Preheat your pan, then add oil and spread it around. I'm making 4 eggs, so I'll use about a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats up, crack your eggs on top of the pan. In my opinion, if you don't hear the sizzling sound, you're not doing it right.
Don't know how it is you looked at me and saw the person that I could be, awakening my heart, breaking through the dark.
As your eggs are cooking, season them with salt and black pepper. You only need to do this on one side.
Suddenly your grace, like sunlight burning at midnight, making my life something so beautiful, beautiful.
Once the egg whites are fully cooked, as seen here, you can now flip your eggs.
Mercy reaching to save me. All that I need, you are so beautiful, beautiful.
Keep frying the eggs until the yolk is hard. You can use a spatula to check, as I'm doing here.
I know it's pouring down, I see you through the clouds, shining on my face.
This is how overhard or overwell eggs look, no runny yolks whatsoever.
All that I need, you are so beautiful, beautiful.
Once ready, transfer your eggs onto a plate and serve on toast. Check out my video on how to make toast on a pan for the perfect accompaniment to your overhead eggs.
Like sunlight burning at midnight.
If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and stay tuned to Sarah's Love Kitchen for more how-to videos. Bye!